What's good, you guys? So I gotta come back home. I got a flat tire. As you can see, as you can tell, it's flat. So lucky I have an emergency kit in my trunk. It's the tire plug kit, you know. It's always come in handy to carry. Ooh, it's unfocused. A tire plug kit in your trunk, because you never know, you may need it to plug your tire in. This for a temporary fix. And I also have a power jumper cable and a tire pump, just in case. You never know you need it or not. So this is a good thing to have in your trunk for emergencies. So I'm gonna get the jack, put it up, plug it in, and be on my way. Oh yeah. Yo, we see the issue. There's a nail right here, so I'm just gonna plug that out. Like I said, it's just for a temporary fix. As of for now, I'm gonna replace all the 4 tires either way, since the tire thread is pretty low. So I'm gonna pop this out, plug it in. But yeah, so what kind of tires or rims should I get for my Honda SI? Because I'm planning on getting new tires and rims for this car to make it look a little better. I mean, it look good now, but I want to put some pop to it. You know what I mean? A little pop. If you guys got any recommendation, what type of tires or rims for the 2012 Honda SI Civic 9th gen, let me know. And I'm also trying to get new body kits for it too as well. I'm planning on wrapping it too. The color I'm looking for might be a blue color, since blue is my favorite color. So yeah, as you can tell, it's starting to rain. So luckily, I'm almost done. Just gotta get the air back into it, put a tie back on and the bolt back on, and be good to go.